In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove things from your Squarespace header. Whether you're looking to streamline your site or just make a few changes to enhance the visual appeal, these instructions will guide you through the process effortlessly. Let's jump right in. First, you want to start by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. Once you're here, the next step is to click on Website. This will open a menu giving you various options related to your site's structure and layout. Clicking this will bring you to the main dashboard where you can manage your site's pages and settings. Now, look for the option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This will present you with a list of all your current pages, including those in the header section that you're looking to modify. The interface will display each page prominently, making it easy to identify the one you're looking to adjust or remove from your header. Once you've found the page you're interested in, click on Setting. This is where you can access all the back-end details and adjust any specific configurations related to that particular page. A good tip here is to make sure you double-check the page to ensure it's the one you actually wish to modify, as this step is crucial to avoid any accidental changes to other parts of your site. Next, you'll need to locate the Enable Page switch. You might be wondering what this does. Enabling or disabling this switch will simply toggle the visibility of the page within your navigation headers. It's a handy feature when you want to hide a page without permanently deleting it. If your goal is to remove the page entirely, you can skip this switch. Now, let's move on to deleting the page. You'll see the option Delete Page. Click on it. This step is decisive as it prepares your page for removal. It's important to know that once you delete a page, it will no longer appear on your site or be recoverable from this section. So make sure you have a backup or are absolutely sure this is what you want to do. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Delete. This will completely remove the page from both your header and your website. By following these steps, you've now successfully streamlined your Squarespace header and site content to better fit your vision. And that's it. You've just learned how to efficiently remove an item from your Squarespace header. Remember, managing the content visibility is crucial for maintaining a professional and organized online presence. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos for more Squarespace tips.